Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. I'm just doing a quick follow-up. I left my coupon. Let me show you. I'm in Dollar Tree. I left the coupon for this right here for these Lucky Charms. So my Dollar Tree actually has a nice little batch on left. So I'm gonna grab 4, and I'm gonna have my mother grab 4. Now look at that bunches of. I thought this was a coupon. I thought I had one for that, but I don't see it. But if you got a Dollar Tree, go in there and grab it. I'm gonna pay for these, and then I'm gonna have my mother get the other boxes and walk around until I get to outside to get another one. Okay. So yes, I made my trip all the way back in here to grab these. It's that serious. Trust me, it is. Okay. So look at that. They cleaned this aisle up. I really talk bad about these people because I feel like we deserve better than that. That's why. So they did clean the aisle up. They cleaned it up really good. And my mother's looking for some twine. Mother, here it is. Right here. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, here. Take the buggy and stay here. I'm going to get the other one. I got to go back out and get the other one. So I got to run to my car and get the coupons, guys, because my mother left them in the car. Let me see. So as we speak, guys, I am back on my way into Dollar Tree. See? And, well, Dollar Tree, first of all, is 10 minutes away from my house. Let's get that clear. And I am going here to grab these because I need them. Okay? So, that's fine. Okay, guys, so that's about it. That's what you're looking at, the Lucky Charm. That's it right there. And the reason why I'm coming back to show you guys is because when I find a good opportunity, I come back for it. Remember, guys, to come back for these deals. It ain't hurting nobody. You could use coupons. You could do that. Look at that. He has Sherman in that. I think I showed y'all that before. And they have Scott paper plates. I'm only gonna do this video. This video only gonna last about 5 minutes. Look at that Oxy Deluxe detergent. I'm gonna get this because I was gonna get it. If you look at my Dollar General video, I was gonna get this detergent, but I guess I'll go ahead and get it. Okay, because I want this dishwashing detergent. When we wash cars and stuff like that, my husband go in there and get my dish detergent, you know, because men don't know the value. But I'm gonna grab that right quick, and I want to see if they restock. See, they moved the spick and span down because it was all the way at the top. And I used all of those. I thought I had one more of those. I can't find it. So we done. But guys, anyway, I don't want to keep holding you up, and I want everybody to see this. So let me go and cash out my stuff, okay? Oh, look, girl. This girl won't stop. Fierce. Strong is the new pretty. That's pretty. I like that one. Oh, I like those. Lord have mercy. And these is board station. Okay, guys, so I went and got the Lucky Charms. Here they are. 8 boxes, 50 cents a piece. So $4, which is fine with me. I got a lot of more coupons. I'll try to hit some more stores and see if they got them. But I'm sure at this point, if I went back and got my coupons, if somebody was there with their coupons, they got them. So hey guys, hit like and subscribe. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If I could catch some quick deals right quick, I'm definitely gonna go and get them and let you all see it. So here it is right here, Dollar General spring bonus cereal. See that? $1 off. So it did work, and it's not illegal. Matter of fact, this is the first time we had a box of cereal that was right. Okay guys, hit like and subscribe, share. Bye.